Hey guys, it's Sean Larry the Logger here from North Carolina, and today you jumped on this here video. You know, you might be beginning in a beginner in affiliate marketing, and I'm gonna show you the basics of what you need to do or what it's all about. And yes, that is a whiteboard there behind me. I'm on my machine right now. I brought this little whiteboard here with me to explain this right here to you. You know what I'm saying? What affiliate marketing is and how you can get started. You know, and really earn your first. You know, if you stick around, I show you how to earn your first $100. You know what I'm saying? Without a website, you know what I'm saying? If you're just getting started with this thing, without a website, without having to spend no money, and when using other people's products, exactly how to do that. Like I say, what affiliate marketing is all it is you just you getting people's products and helping them sell their products or helping them get their products out there in front of other people. Okay, this here, just say this here. Okay, this here's somebody that has the product. Okay, that's somebody there that has the product. It could be a business or it could be an individual, another person. A lot of these here things is individuals out here doing this here, making their own products, spending a lot of money to make their own products up, and then paying other people to help them get their product out there. Okay, just say this here is you. Okay, this here is you. This here's you, and you want to help this person out. You want to learn how to do affiliate marketing. You want to help this guy here sell his product, okay? Okay, and there's a bunch of people out here that need this product. There's a lot of people out here that need this here product that you can connect with. You can connect with them and connect these people to this product right here. Okay, and this person right here that's got this product don't really have access to these people here. You know what I'm saying? You might be that person that has access to these kind of people. And let me show you, I'm gonna show you exactly what I'm talking about. You stick around the end of this video, I show you exactly how to connect these people and do this. And you don't have to call, I mean, you can, if you want to, get into calling these people and finding them like that there, but there's a way that you can put stuff out there in front of these people. That way they'll come through there, look at the offer, and if they buy it, they buy it. If they don't, they don't. But you'll have a steady flow of people coming and looking at the product that you're affiliated with. And when somebody buys that product, you get a percentage. You get a percentage of that product. You know what I'm saying? Of the money that's made within that product. And it can be from 30 to 40 to 50 to even 70 and 80%. Sometimes it's 100%. You know, sometimes you can get paid 100% by helping this guy right here get a customer, because he knows the long time value of that customer, that they'll keep coming by and buying more and more and more stuff. But, okay, I'm going to put a video down below in the description, and it's going to take you to a video I did on my computer while I was at home, showing you exactly step by step how to start and do this here how to start and do it for free. For totally free, no website. You don't have to buy the products first or anything. I'll show you exactly how to, I even walk through kind of step by step how it's done, how I did it. I got some examples on that video, exactly how I did it and how you can make this here thing work. But you can go to click the link down here in the description, going to my other YouTube video that I go more in detail with. Like I say, if you're a beginner or even if you've been in it for a little while and you really haven't figured out how to get your products out there without having to, post them on Facebook or, do a lot of social media posting and different stuff like that there, I'll show you exactly how to put it out there and get people to coming to you, coming to you, going to your link and buying your products that you're out there affiliated with. Like I say, anybody can do this, even if you're a beginner. I walk through it step by step. But go to that video there below, and hope y'all have a great day now. You hear?